Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make custom ringtone on iPhone. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you just need to install a application. That name is GarageBand application. Here you can see I already installed. Right now I just open this application. So after open this application, I can find audio recorder. Just open it. So after open, on the top there have a red icon that is for recording audio or recording sound. So this is mainly a recording button. If you just tap here, then you can record sound from your voice or from your computer. From you can record the sound from anywhere. So I just simply tap over this red icon. The recording already started. So you just need to record the sound. So after successfully record, then I just pause, and right now I just press on the top left corner. There have a arrow icon, just tap it, and right now you can find the option my songs. Just select it. So after select, here you can see your sound already recorded. So just long press over this sound, and then you can find an option. So rename. First of all, I just rename this my ringtone. I just rename it, and right now again long press it, and then there have an option share. Just select share. Right now here there have an option ringtone. Just select it. So after select, then there have an option on the top right corner, export. Select it. So here you can see exporting my ringtone. So you just need to wait, and then okay, it's back, and open your phone settings. So after open your phone settings, just scroll down, and you can find the options sounds and haptics. Just select it. Right now select ringtone. Now there have a option my ringtone. Here you can see that I already recorded for my custom ringtone. Right now I select it. Here you can see, just tap over it and it's already selected. So in this way you can make your custom ringtone on your iPhone very easily. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.